Hey, and thank you for watching my little behind the scenes video with the Mamiya RZ67 Pro 2. Most of the images you have seen were very underexposed because it was kinda dark where I was, but I think the images still turned out nice. Everything you have seen in this video was recorded with my old iPhone 7, so the quality is not that good. I hope I can do better in my next videos. I hope you liked this short video. If you want to see more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.